SPRO, reference IMG. Let's go over what we did the last time. Financial accounting, company, AA42. This is made Venice Group. Company code. AA42, Venice Group. Okay. Next is logistics. Define valuation level. This is always a plant, and this is used for account determination for GL in MM. Define copy delete plant. Define plant. Okay. New entries. AA42. AA42. Okay. Save. AA42 Venice Group. AA42. Yes. Venice Group. All right. Now it is done. Define location. What will be the location of the plant? New entries. AA42. Karachi. AA42. LHR. AA42 ISB. Islamabad. AA42. Venice, Karachi. AA42 Karachi. AA42 Karachi. Enter company AA42 LHR AA42 Lahore AA42 AA42 Islamabad AA42 save. Division. Okay, division can be a business division, product division, location division. You're not using this right now. But you define it later. Then comes in sales and distribution, sales org. This is very, very important. Sales org is for customers, new entries, AA42 Venice sales org. Sales org, AA42. Okay. Save. Yes. Next is distribution channel. Distribution can be geographical. So, geographical can be north, south, that will be distribution, or product wise. How product wise? Pharma distribution, FMCG distribution, plastic distribution, detergent distribution, that can be defined as well. But we're not doing that right now. But you will do a division plus distribution channel. Sales office, sales group, you will define that. It's pretty easy. Material management, maintain storage location. AA42. Okay. New entries. We have a storage location in Karachi. Karachi, AA42. Save. Only one storage location. You can have multiple, but we're keeping it simple right now. Okay. Purchase organization. New entries. Purchasing organizations can be multiple. Can be multiple. For example, raw material, semi-finished goods, finished goods, miscellaneous, station stationary items, um, marketing, and so on. Save, save. Okay, that being done, now let's go to the next node, financial accounting, assigned company to company. We have already done this. AA42, we have done this. Assign company code, profit center, we'll do this later. Next is controlling, we'll leave that for now. Logistics, assign plant to company code. AA42, AA42. Save. Assign business area, plant, valuation area, and division. You don't have business area right now. Business area is again what verticals of business like detergent, plastic, apparel, pharma. These are business areas. Sales and distribution. Assign sales org to company code. AA42. AA42. Assign distribution channel to sales org. You have not done this, you will do that. And same goes with other nodes. Assign purchase org to company code. AA42. 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 Purchase org to plant. First we did for company code. Now it's plant. AA42, AA42. So purchase organization can be both assigned to plant and company code at the same time, because it will purchase for company code and plant as well. There is no restriction. Standard purchasing. So if there are multiple purchasing, so we will have one standard that if no other purchasing organization is operational, AA42. Save. So there will be one standard central. Okay. Assign purchase organization reference purchasing organization. We don't want a reference. Reference is when we have a AA42 with other purchasing organization that represents as a reference. If we are making a new plant at some place, but we want to copy, so AA42 will be reference. We're not doing that right now. Okay. Once that is done, next step is making of controlling. Controlling is costing area, profit center area, cost center accounting. For that, we need to do some preparation, and that preparation comes in financial accounting. Financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparations, IRET chart of accounts, lists. AA42 chart of accounts. Maintenance language will be English. Length of the GL will be 5. Maximum is 10. If we have a group chart of accounts, we will write it here, but we are not doing that right now. Save, enter. This is the backbone of the entire SAP chart of accounts. Assign company code to chart of accounts. AA42 AA42 country chart of accounts can be maintained here. Save. Define account group. Very necessary. Okay. CF41. I will copy this template CF41, and chart of accounts has every schedule of GL accounts that we will make in the future. WHT copy as AA42. Okay, and in chart of accounts, we have zero balance. We will explain this later. Adjustment accounts for month and year end adjustments like unposted invoices, unplanned depreciation, unposted invoices, foreign currency valuation, difference of payments. Apart from that, what else? Unknown invoices, unposted journal entries, those come in adjustment accounts. Taxation, withholding taxation, also done through adjustment accounts. Assets, everything in assets. Capital account, accumulated depreciation expense will be covered in here. Some companies keep it separate, but we are keeping it under one head. Liquid funds, bank cash, this will be liquid funds. Clearing accounts, this is again, clearing accounts act as interim accounts, and the balances of clearing accounts are always zero. They cannot carry a balance. Equity, capital, amortization, not amortization, investments, reserve dividends, unpaid dividends, that comes in equity. Expense, general GL, HR accounts, salaries, EOBI, taxes, advances, expenses, miscellaneous entertainment expenses, everything, exhibition, training, everything in HR accounts. Material accounts, goods movement of raw material, semi-finished good, finished good. Miscellaneous accounts, accounts which are not used frequently but will be used like picnics, trips, or expenses on exhibition or marketing, or any small petty expenses for maintenance like maintenance, plumbing. Those are miscellaneous accounts. Income accounts, recon accounts are used Recon accounts. There are 4 types of recon accounts in SAP: customer, vendor, assets, and contract accounts. So we have maintained recon accounts, and this is a balance sheet item. Secondary GL, this is used for costing. Special GL, we will discuss this later. Tax, sales tax, input, output, sales taxes, and then last we have withholding tax. Okay, save, enter. Once that is done, we go to define retained earnings account. Now, what are retained earnings account? Retained earnings account are used and operated at the end of the month and end of the year, where all the income and expenses are clubbed together and the difference is adjusted with the capital, with the equity. Save. So we have made a retained earnings account, although we haven't made it on the front end. We'll make on the front end as well. We had to give a symbol. Any symbol can be given here: A, B, C, D, up to Z. So we give X. Okay. Now, additional activities: match code, different screen layout for each transaction. Okay. Important. Display, create, change. When we are creating, account control, optional entry, currency. Okay. When we are creating a GL account, these currencies will actually show up. Okay. Only balances in local currency, account management in external system. I don't want this. Exchange rate difference, no. Alternative account, no. Inflation key, no. Tax category, yes. Currency, yes. Page down. Tolerance group, no. Save. But no. Wait a minute. Okay. First, let me show you what I'm talking about. I go to accounting, financial accounting. This is the main screen, general ledger, master records, GL accounts, individual processing, centrally FS00. FS00 is the T code. Here we see the T code. So over here, we go to new 20,000 AA42. Field status variant is not assigned to company code. We cannot make a GL account. So what we do here, these are the fields that we are seeing over here. Okay. So control, for example, SA40, account currency, exchange rate, valuation, tax category, recon account, alternative account, inflation tolerance. Okay. So when I go to create account control, I want tax category. Okay. Inflation key. Inflation key is suppressed. I see save and okay. Now, if I want to create any account, I go to FS00 again. Now this is create recon account. Package vendor. Okay. $60,000. 6,200 in SA40. This is I'm going in create mode. When I go in create mode, GL account type is balance sheet account. Account group is 60,000. Special GL. Package vendor. Special GL. Package vendor. No need to worry about what is special GL. I'll tell this later. Control data. Now, we are in create mode. So what I have suppressed exchange rate difference, it was showing before, now it is not showing. Text category, it is showing as optional. Text category is here. Recon account, yes, it is here. And no other. Sort key is standard. Okay. Okay, account management, which is open item management, optional sort key. Yes, you can see sort keys here. Authorization group, suppress, suppress, suppress. Okay, good. Document entry, reconciliation ready for input. Field status group is optional, post automatically. Okay. Here we see post automatically and recon account ready for input. Recon is now suppressed. I will save it. And it is saved. So I restart the T code again. And I create. Right now we are in create mode. So create, it will affect that. 60, 200. GL balance sheet. 62,000. Special GL package. Special GL package. Control data. Sort key. Bank interest. Now we don't see that recon ready for input. So this is how you can actually change the field status. Okay. Bank financial details, planning level commitment item, relevant to cash flow, house bank account. These are all standards. Multi-currency accounting. That is also somewhere over here. Multi-currency. Anyways, this is how you actually create a GL account. I've shown you that. Okay. Okay. Field groups. Field group. Sign fields. Nothing here. Okay. Global settings. I'll stop here for now.